How to update Microsoft Edge. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and log into your account. Then click on three dots located on top right corner of your screen. Scroll all the way down in this list till you find Help and Feedback, which is below Settings. Then click on About Microsoft Edge, which is the last option. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, Microsoft Edge is up to date. You can also enable download updates over metered connection or simply disable it. As you can see, Microsoft Edge is up to date. You don't have anything to download. And that's how you update Microsoft Edge. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. And Sophia signing off until next time.